Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Park on level ground and set the parking brake before starting work. Wear gloves and eye protection for safety and comfort. Gather a 3/8-inch ratchet, 10 mm and 12 mm sockets, and a plastic trim tool for the job. Place a small tray to collect fasteners and note bolt locations as you remove them. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental electrical engagement while you work on components near the gear cover. Locate all visible fasteners around the gear cover and inspect for hidden clips. Loosen and remove visible bolts using the 10 mm and 12 mm sockets in a clockwise sequence. Use a plastic trim tool to pry loose clips without scratching surfaces and to avoid breaking plastic retainers. Work methodically around the perimeter to ensure every clip is released before lifting. Lift the gear cover straight up once all bolts and clips are released. Inspect the gear cover and mating surface for cracks, debris, or gasket damage that could cause leaks. Inspect gasket surfaces for debris and replace gasket if cracked or deformed to ensure a proper seal. Clean mating surfaces with a lint-free cloth before reinstalling the cover to prevent contamination. Reposition the cover carefully and hand start bolts to avoid cross-threading. Tighten bolts snugly and torque to manufacturer specs if available. Then reconnect the negative battery terminal and test operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.